how do you usually optimize multi-keyword campaigns placement modifier? In SKC campaigns, we have more control over placement, but in multi-keywords, we don't know which keywords get order until as ROS. So this is a great question. First off, it's not as much about optimization for multi-keyword, but understanding what is the placement that performs best. Keep in mind, you have multiple keywords that might have multiple CPCs. We are not optimizing for those keywords, we are optimizing for a multitude of keywords. Therefore, what is really important is to know the placement first place. And then if you're going to adjust the placements, based on that, you will see those keywords, are they going to work as expected or not? Sometimes it can be that you're increasing by 10%. Great. You're increasing by 20% placement modifier, maybe top of search. You're increasing it 30%. So based on that feedback, you would give it time to see how does it perform. Because keep in mind that you might have multiple keywords, but when it comes down to the keyword itself, the keyword is related to the percentage. For example, for one keyword, you're going to pay $1. For the second keyword, you're paying $2. For the third one, you're paying $3. The idea is that for specific keywords, it works or it doesn't. In bulk files, if you're going to download your bulk files, especially for the past 30 days, there you can see clearly targets, keywords, and placement modifiers. So what we are looking into is optimizing from the bulk files for those placements. And to achieve that, you would have to have the whole campaign structure, and then you would also need to have the placement modifier and the keywords. Open that in one window, and then next to it have a mirror window of whatever you see in Campaign Manager. And let's say you're pulling the bulk files Wednesday, and you would pull the bulk files for the past whole week. So it's not going to be Monday and Tuesday included. Then you would have a way more clear understanding on what the Campaign Manager shows and what does the bulk file show. Keep in mind, we always optimize based on CPC. We're not optimizing based on placement. Open up the bulk files, and then you will see clearly that each keyword has its own bid. That's why I was saying to open up the bulk files to take a look and have those three things enabled: product, keyword, and placement modifiers.